This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Microsoft NTFS for Mac by Paragon software. So I'm right here on their main download page. You can see the page right here as I scroll down. So you can find this at this link here that I'm highlighting on the screen. Now it's quite a long URL, so I will in fact include that as a link in the video description just below this video. So you can just click on that link and wind up here. So you can check out the features and how this works. There's a frequently asked questions as well if you are unfamiliar, but all that's left to do really is highlight this orange download button and click download, and that will download the .dmg file directly to wherever your downloads are saved. This is browser dependent. I'm on a Mac, like I say, with Google Chrome, so that goes directly to my downloads folder. Now depending on your browser setup, your downloads location might be different. Hopefully you found this video on how to find and download Microsoft NTFS for Mac by Paragon software useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.